Welcome children. Today is worksheet number 32, light. In this worksheet we will discuss about magnifying lens. Today Manish along with his friends was using the magnifying lens to observe the body parts of a cockroach. Manish noticed that without the magnifying lens he could not see the cockroach's body parts properly. Let's try to find out the reason for this. So, what do you mean by magnifying lens? Magnifying lens or magnifying glass is actually a type of lens. Lens क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Lenses are transparent objects or transparent body and light can pass through them. Magnifying lens are used to read very small print. Magnifying lens को हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं बच्चों? These lenses are used to read very small print. Lenses are widely used spectacles, telescope and microscope. Spectacles means चश्मे में, टेलीस्कोप में और माइक्रोस्कोप में हम लेंस यूज़ करते हैं. Now there are two types of lens. First one is convex lens and second one is concave lens. Convex lens क्या होता है बच्चों? The lens which is thicker in middle than at edges are called convex lens. Convex lens कैसे होते हैं? मिडिल में से बीच में थिक होते हैं और एंड्स पर किनारों पर थिन होते हैं. Such type of lenses are known as convex lens. A convex lens converges the light generally falling on it. It converges the light rays. Converge means bends inward. Suppose light is coming from this direction. After passing through the lens, it will bend inwards. So this property of lens is known as converging property, or this lens are such type of lens are called converging lens. Now concave lens, the lens which is thinner in the middle. So this lens is thinner or thin in the middle and thick at the edges. These lenses are known as concave lens. Concave lens diverge the light rays falling on it. Diverge means if the light rays are coming from this direction, after passing through the lens, these lenses bend outwards in this way. So these lenses are diverging lens and therefore it is called diverging lens, and these diverging lens are also known as concave lens. Now image formed by the lens. Convex lens, a convex lens forms real inverted image. कैसी image बनती है convex lens में? Real and inverted. What do you mean by real image? Image that can be obtained on a screen is called real image. So convex lens forms real and inverted image, but when the object is placed very close to the lens, to the convex lens, the image formed is virtual, erect and magnified. अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को लेंस के बहुत क्लोज रख दें, पास रख दें, तो इमेज कैसी बनाता है कॉन्वेक्स लेंस? वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट एंड मैग्नीफाइड. Virtual image which can't be obtained on screen. When it is used to see objects with magnification, the convex lens is called magnifying glass. हम इसे क्या बुलाते हैं? Magnifying glass. Now concave lens. Concave lens always forms erect, virtual and smaller image than the object. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is, look at the spectacles of any of your family members or yours and identify whether it is concave lens और convex lens। आपको क्या करना है, आपके किसी फैमिली मेम्बर के या अपने स्पेक्टिकल्स को चेक करना है एंड आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि इस स्पेक्टिकल्स में कौन सा लेंस यूज़ किया गया है, कॉन्केव और कॉन्वेक्स। तो बच्चों, फॉर सीइंग द डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली we use concave lens, and for seeing the nearby object clearly we use the convex lens. Question number 2, which type of lens forms a virtual image always? So answer is concave lens. Concave lens forms a virtual image always. Question number 3, a convex lens is used as magnifying lens. Is this true or false? So this is true. Convex lens is used as a magnifying lens when object is placed very close to the lens. Thanks for watching.